AVIR LACTO Massage Gel embodies the essence of K-beauty, made in Korea. Experience deep hydration and soothing comfort in one gentle touch, revealing 3 key points of AVIR LACTO Massage Gel. Point 1. Enriched with natural ingredients, it delivers deep hydration and lasting comfort. Tea tree, aloe, centella, and green tea extracts work together to calm and moisturize skin. Allantoin gently restores damaged skin and refines its natural texture. High molecular weight hyaluronic acid creates a moisture barrier to maintain deep, long-lasting hydration. Point 2. It gently comforts sensitive skin with hydration that lasts throughout the day. Lactobacillus Ferment balances skin pH and keeps it soft and refreshed all day. Lactobacillus Ferment Filtrate provides gentle conditioning through beneficial fermented extracts. Safe for even sensitive skin, formulated only with EWG green-grade ingredients. The EWG evaluates cosmetic ingredients based on scientific data to ensure safer product use. Free from glycerin, yet rich in care, designed for daily and reliable use. Carefully selected EWG green-grade ingredients ensure gentle and dependable skincare. Transparent ingredient selection delivers safe and confident care for everyday use. Point 3. Beyond a massage gel, it also serves as a cooling gel and hydrating sleeping pack. 3 uses in one formula for flexible daily skincare. Manufactured under ISO and MFDS certifications to ensure premium quality. COSM Company Limited leads global skincare innovation through trusted technology. Certified with multiple domestic and international standards, including ISO, MFDS, trademarks, and patents, ensuring safe and reliable quality. For inquiries or partnership opportunities, please contact us